Ano pa ang dapat malaman namin sa tabulation mo?
Yung meron po silang, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, meron silang purchases na ginawa. Pero yun nga po, supported lang po ng acknowledgement receipts instead of sales invoices or official receipts.
Do you have an amount, Mr. Witness?
May I approach, Your Honor?
Counsel Meduso.
I think nasa notice of suspension po yung amount. May I be allowed po to refer to the notice of suspension?
Okay. At
This is a stipulated document, right, Counsel?
yes, Your Honor. The notice of suspension is.
The
We
notice
will
of suspension?
We will ask again the question in due course.
Kindly ask the question again, Counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Witness is asking for permission to refer to the notice of suspension to answer your question. Assistant counsels may approach.
Based on this notice of suspension, actually wala pong total pero nandito po yung breakdown ng amounts per type of purchase po.
Okay. Can we go through the breakdown of amounts?
Opo.
Based on your notice of suspension, which is a common exhibit of
As
the
to the-
prosecution and the defense.
As to the various goods which were given as rewards, 34,857,000. As to the medicines which were given as rewards,
34 million for rewards.
as to the medicines po which were given as rewards, 24,930,000. As to the purchase supplies, 11,813,000 pesos. As to the tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. And as to desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos.
What else, Mr. Witness?
Hindi pa rin po nila pala sinubmit yung proof of submission noong revised accomplishment report to the Office of the President, the Senate President, and the Speaker of the House.
Ngayon. If we show you a select few of these acknowledgement receipts, would you be able to identify them?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, can we ask our attorney, Mark Peña? Can I mention his name because his mother daw is watching?
Assisting counsels may approach for both
Attorney
parties.
Mark Peña.
Ano mo ma-identify yan?
Where is it? Your Honor, the witness is being presented for the record 845 acknowledgement receipts. In a box, and for purposes of reference, these have been marked as Exhibits P-1-8 and series for the prosecution.
How many boxes, counsel?
3 boxes, Your Honor.
What was the folder earlier given to the witness by Attorney Peña?
The folder given, Your Honor, is just one of the folders, Your Honor.
Inside the box.
Inside the box. So for the record, Your Honor, Attorney Peña showed to the witness a sample folder of a folder which is among the 845 documents inside several folders inside 3 boxes.
Containing the 845 exhibits.
Yes, Your Honor.
Assisting counsel may show the witness a sample of the 845 acknowledgement receipts contained in a folder. So, Mr. Wamal, is this one of the 845 documents that you examined in relation to acknowledgement receipts pertaining to confidential funds allegedly spent for the period covering December 21 to December 31, 2022?
Yes, sir. Yes po, Your Honor.
You're a witness, counsel.
Okay. If I show you some, the defense. Could you please go over briefly the other folders? Your Honor, please, may we ask for a 3-minute recess for this?
For what purpose, counsel?
So you can go over the folders and so I can sit down.
Ito po yung sample na...
Trial
based on
is suspended for how many minutes, counsel? 3 minutes then.